Hi everybody, this is Sean Heidemann. I'm the designated broker with Position Realty. Today I am shooting a virtual tour for one of my new listings. It's a HUD listing. I've done several of these listings already. And I'm at 3713 West El Camino Drive in Phoenix. It is just north of Northern on 35th Avenue in one of the neighborhoods around here. So like I said, it is a HUD listing. So if you are interested, you can go to the HUD home store. And you can submit your offers there. They are looking for owner-occupied buyers at this moment. They haven't opened it up to investors yet, but this is a great opportunity to pick up a property. You can make it your own, design it the way that you want it to look with your different tile and paint colors. Well, let's go take a look at the house. So it comes with a 2-car carport. Good sized carport. Opens up here. This is the living room area. It's a good sized living room area. And all the rooms come with, they're plumbed with ceiling fans. And then off the living room here is the kitchen. It's a good sized kitchen. Like I said, the good part about this house is you can design it the way that you want. Put your touches, your style, your design style. You can replace all the cabinets, put your new flooring in any way that you want. Change out all the light fixtures. Paint it the color that you want. Off the kitchen area here is a family room. It's a good sized family room area. And off the family room is our first bedroom. This is one of the larger of the 4 bedrooms. This room does not come with a ceiling fan, and it has a sliding closet. And off of the bedroom is a full bath, has a stand-up shower. And it's kind of a Jack and Jill style. It goes over to the second bedroom. The rest of the bedrooms have a walk-in closet. And this room has a ceiling fan. Closets are a good size. And then here's the third bedroom. And another walk-in closet. And a hallway bath. The power is not on yet, so I can't turn the electric on for you, but this kind of gives you an idea of what it looks like. And then the fourth bedroom over here. Once again, has a walk-in closet. And we did a full circle around the house. Here we are back again in the living room area. That's where we came in. But we're going to go check out the backyard. The access door is back here. It comes with a large covered patio. And the nice thing about this yard is that it has a raised planter where you could put flowers, you can put some bushes in there, or you could even do a garden. Grow vegetables, tomatoes, peppers. And it has a detached storage unit over there. You put your lawnmower and all your shovels and stuff like that in there. And you can put grass. Like I said, you can make it your own. You can put artificial grass, put some rock in there. Make it look the way that you want it to look. And a nice part about this house as well is it has a workshop. It has lots of cabinet room where you can put your tools, and you can do some carpentry in there. The water heater is also there as well, as you see. And your washer and dryer hookup is over here in the workshop as well. So that concludes our virtual tour of this new listing. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. In the more information below, I have all my contact information, my social media, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will have future listings in the future like this, and other listings as well. But thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for the next video.